looking better than ever, beach.
I could let you have it. You could be my heaven. You could be my woman, right? I don't want you having. Anytime I know you're living in the hole. Anytime I know.
So here's the tea. We're redecorating my photo wall. Shutterfly, not sponsored. Wish I was, but that's what we're doing. Yay! I might do this tomorrow. All the pictures. Gosh, I'm so excited.
Today's been a great day.
God, I have so many pictures. They're hot. So I'm just gonna sort through these currently, as I just said, and let's go. But yeah, I think I'll cut to when I actually start putting these up on my wall, because I might be doing that tomorrow when I got more time. I don't know how I want to arrange this yet, so I gotta kind of plan it. Like, do I want like a border around my room, or do I want like my entire wall filled up like it was previously? Or I don't know, to be honest. So I'll just cut to that, and then we're gonna start putting them up. Yay! Hey guys, it's the next day and we are starting this wall. My sister's helping me today and I just need to get a good setup. The fan is literally on high blast and it's still just so hot in here, so, but yeah, so right now I kind of don't know exactly what formation I want to have them in. I don't know if I want to have it like the same like I did last time, or I have no clue. But yeah, so I organized all the photos into horizontal, vertical, and I don't know if I'm gonna use the square ones. I didn't print any square ones this go round. All the square ones that I have are from the last time that my wall was up. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna just see what I want to do. I got some inspo pictures. I like this, and it's like all the, like, there's 2 rows of vertical ones at the top, and it's all the rest are like horizontal. That's cute, and they're like evenly spaced out, but that's kind of a lot of work. And then this one is like alternate. We love English. Or like, I don't know, we're just gonna play with it because I actually have way more vertical than horizontal, which is really weird because I thought I was the other way around. So now I'm gonna have to think of something that can just do that. So yeah, I'm gonna prop you guys up and let's get this show on the road, shall we? Okay, so I think this kind of shows the wall in a good view, I guess. I took off all the things right here just so that it could, my brain can mentally like process what's going up on the wall and whatnot. Okay, cool. So I don't even know like my most important pictures. Like I just didn't process this very well. I didn't think this out. Got double-sided tape. Now I'm just gonna play with some arranging stuff. Also gonna tie up my hair, it's too hot. Let's do this ish. I remember when I first put up my photo wall, I wanted to make a video on it, but it was like I had my iPhone like filming and all that stuff, so it was just so hard to like get the perfect thing that I wanted. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we've got Jade here. She's just being a spectator and helping. Stay hydrated is key. So we've got the first row laid out. It's kind of hard to do. I realize that I do want a little bit of space in between each one so that my wall can look a little bit different. But now I don't know if I should do a second row of horizontal or should I start going vertical and then horizontal. Like I just don't know, and like it's so hard to measure it out when like you just don't have enough hands to hold it up to like place it. But I think the first row does look good. Okay, so I'm currently on the floor. Jade's currently right there. So what we're doing currently is actually just kind of drafting the wall. So what we're doing is just like putting a little bit of tape and just pasting it around, and then we're just like moving it all around to see what we like. So currently we've got this. Hey, it looks good on camera. I think this is fun. This probably isn't even like where the pictures are actually gonna go, but yeah, because like you see the measurements are like so off, but like we're just trying to draft it out to see if it fits to like right there, and then see what we're gonna do right there, just so that like, you know, it's all together. Done. We'll keep updating you. Goodbye. Guys, I think we're getting somewhere. Like, it looks kind of good. Like, look, if I'm gonna be honest, I like this. We're gonna have to go far away here. Okay, move. Okay, so that's currently what we've got going on. I think it looks cute. I like how it's spread out. It makes my room breathable. that make sense? Because like my other wall was so
just
congested.
need it to be
I need it to be filled. Yeah, okay. All right, we're gonna continue. Goodbye. She looks cute, but we're trying to figure out what the hell to do with this, because like, you see it, if we go the horizontal here and then like horizontal here and then like, wait, that is what we could do. Wow, go team.
Like split it?
No. Hand me all the horizontals. No, you're not hungry.
What is the match? This one's another problem.
Okay, look, but that doesn't feel full, does it?
No.
So what shall we do? Wait, that doesn't make it any better. This, oh my god. Okay, square. I mean, yeah, square. I have some more squares, I think, that I just didn't use. Give me more. So tired. Give me more.
More what?
Of some of these.
Okay. I haven't even done.
Ah!
Oh my god, that really made me mad. You literally got on my workspace.
And a oop.
I thought I was hungry, but I think you needed food.
No, I'm just a little dehydrated. I think it's from being up in the sky too long. The air starts, you remember it? Why is this so funny? Remember when last week I was like, I called hypoxia? Where'd you go?
Did you just throw that?
I didn't drop anything, it was you.
No, it
What
just
is
blew
poking
over
my
there.
back? I feel like, give me, listen, tell me speakers. Okay, square.
God, we were done with this. Oh, there's
No, we
one more.
weren't. Where did the other one go?
I gave it to you.
You only gave me one of the three. Tell the speakers.
No, it's not here. Wait, sing it again.
Huh?
Sing it again.
There was a wrong. Wait, 5, 6, 7, 8.
To the speakers up. Oh shoot. Wait, did I do it right?
Hold on. To the speakers up.
Listen to them. Oh wait, shoot, it was.
Oh.
Okay.
I know my purpose. European cars and bang birds. And I oop and I oops. Oh my god.
Your voice.
Hey, it worked. That was fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I think we figured out
I mean, you figured it out. I just taped it.
what to do. That looks Gucci. Like it. Okay, but that, okay, now that I look at it through the camera's point of view, the one with Zoe, Aiden, Ryan, and Carlin, Bye Bye Birdie, yep, needs to be moved to the right. Because it's just like empty right there. Yep. And then, yep. Honestly,
Oops.
replace that square with another horse. Is there any other spaces that look good? Dang! Jane, you didn't tell me that it was here. I knew I felt sticky.
Wait, what?
That's where the third one went. I knew you didn't give it to me.
I was like, I'm pretty sure I gave it to you.
I was like, I know you didn't. Okay, we're gonna shift the camera's focus over to the little bridge border.
How'd you know?
Because I felt it. I arranged them a bit. I don't think I'm done arranging them. I think I officially decided I want to do that and that. So yeah, that's the plan for right now. We're kind of dead tired, so we're just gonna take a break and like hopefully eat something and then yeah, continue on with the process. But this is what's been going on. Okay guys, a lot has happened. We got pizza for lunch. It was fun. We had an experience, but we're not gonna talk about it. Anyway, so that happened, and now we're going to continue to work back on this. Also, my podcast, I fixed it all today. It's not run through the same host website that I was running it through before. Now it's so much easier. It's through Anchor. That's what I've been wanting to do it from for so long, but they haven't had an option to where I could like switch off all my stuff from my old host website onto the new one. You guys probably don't care about any of this, but basically My podcast is now on Spotify and on Apple Podcasts, as it usually is. But now it's on Spotify and it's run through the website that I wanted it to, so I'm so happy. But look at what we've done.
It's real hot.
It's real hot. Real hot girl shit. Hey. I think we've done it. I think it looks good. It's like a cubicle, like look at that. I think Jada and I decided that we're not gonna take all the photos off. We're just going to like stick double-sided tape behind the ones that are falling off, because for the most part they're held up strong up there and I can kind of arrange them whenever I want to. So it looks really nice and great. So yeah. Okay, look.
Wow.
Look at her. Mama.
Mom, stop. Oh my god.
Okay, there's all of these. I'm gonna like glue down some of the backs of the old ones because they don't.
Why me?
You're up there.
You have to look.
You have more on this side.
Okay, you need to put me at my eye level.
Right there. Okay.
Sure, eye level.
Look at.
All
Do you like
this
this? Do you like the spaces between it?
Yeah,
I like the
yeah.
spaces this time.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Are you for real?
No.
I was about to say.
I'm so full. Okay. Anyway, this is the wall, and then I'm gonna print a couple more pictures that I forgot to print out with Shutterfly at Costco when I'm there. Okay, so it's a little later. There's no more daylight, but there's no pictures there. But here we go. I think I'm just gonna take this down because I'm kind of confused on what to do. Yeah, I kind of like it not being on the door anyway, but yeah, we might do something else on the door. But look at that. Okay, yep, that looks a little crooked. I'm gonna fix that like right now because that bothers me. But yeah, so I'm in love with it. I'm in love with the side edition. It makes it look 3D and that stuff. So when I walk in, like every time now I see it on the corner of my eye and it's just great. So I love it. Yeah, as you can see, she's cute. She's really cute. I'm gonna give like a professional pan of this wall with my other camera. Yeah, as you guys can see, like this is my photo wall. It is full of friends, family, just people that actually mean importance to me. I think my other photo wall was getting a little outdated. It had been, I think, 2.5 years, maybe 2.5 to 3 years, because the last like pictures that I had from that time were prom, and that was last time. So prom like 2016, was it 2016? Yeah, so it was a long time ago. Yeah, I had to update all the pictures, and it's just so good to refresh and see different things, you know, and like things that I'm happy about and people that make me happy. So yeah, all the other pictures from last time and like times before and like all the extra ones that I have will just sit in my closet, and they're just really good memories to look back on. I really recommend printing pictures if you guys don't have like a Polaroid or something. It's super cheap with Shutterfly. I literally wish I was sponsored by them, like, because it's just so great. It came so fast, and all of these prints were free, and all I had to pay for was shipping. So I highly recommend that if you guys want to decorate your room for under $20, this is the perfect way to do it. It's literally just tape and pictures. Give it a try if you guys haven't already or haven't tried a photo wall. I think that it really enhances a room and makes it like personable towards you, especially if you're going to college. Like, it's such a nice like addition, you know. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and my sister create this photo wall. But yeah, I will see you guys in a future video. Take care. Bye.
I just wanna throw my hands. I just wanna mic with a stand. I just wanna catch one glance. I just wanna see you dance, girl. I just wanna shine like my